Okay, today is June 5th, 2009, and it's Nina's first day ever of getting on a two-wheel bike with no training wheels. How do you feel, Nina? Are you pumped up? How do you feel, Daddy?
Feel confident.
Okay, let's see what you got, girlfriend.
Let's get it. Watch. You ready? You're gonna pedal fast, okay? Pedal fast.
Whoa. Whoa. Good job, girlfriend. Okay, bring it back. Wow. On your first day, Nina.
Alright, we gotta go. We'll see you later.
Okay, say goodbye.
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 Say congratulations.
Congratulations.
Say hi, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
Okay, bye.